Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Remote Desktop lets you control a Windows PC from another device over a network. It uses TCP port 3389 by default and requires network access. The host must run Windows Pro or Enterprise editions. You also can use Windows Server versions as hosts and official clients on Mac OS and mobile. Every connecting user needs a local account with a password or an AD account. Make sure the host has allowed remote connections in system settings and that both devices are powered and reachable. Open Settings on the host, go to System, then Remote Desktop, and enable connections. Click Select Users to add specific accounts that can connect. Administrators are allowed automatically. Configure Windows Firewall to allow remote desktop on TCP port 3389 and confirm rule names. If connecting across the internet, forward port 3389 to the host in your router settings. Use dynamic DNS when you do not have a static public IP address to simplify addressing. Open the remote desktop client on your device and enter the host IP or dynamic DNS name. Click Connect and provide the username and password for the allowed account. For stronger security, use a VPN, enable network-level authentication, and consider changing the default TCP port from 3389. If a connection fails, check the host is powered, verify firewall rules, and confirm router port forwarding. Also ensure the username matches the host account, and try restarting the remote desktop service if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.